Hi, my lovelies. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm sharing this pasta and beef recipe. These are the beef I'm going to be using for this recipe. Just going to cut them in tiny shapes, very tiny, just like so. So I'm gonna put my beef in the bowl. I'm going to be spicing and seasoning them up. Feel free to use any spices and seasonings of your choice. Add black pepper and salt, garlic and ginger paste, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Put it together, let it rest for 5 minutes. If you have more time, let it stay longer. So this is the pasta I'm gonna be cooking. Very colorful. This food is for my kids and my grandchildren. Add boiled water and little bit of salt. Cook it till it's soft. In another pan, I'm going to be adding olive oil. Heat it up a little bit, pour in the beef. I'm going to fry it till it's tender, till it's cooked. Just flip them. This food came out so delicious. The children really love it. The beef are cooked now. Add diced onions, 1 can tomatoes, diced tomatoes, garlic and ginger paste, onions, carrots, bell peppers, red onions, spring onions, packed full of veggies. Put it together, add a little bit of pepper, very little pepper. Don't forget, I added black pepper to the meat. My sauce is ready now. My pasta is ready. Just put in the pasta. Put it together. My food is ready. Little bit of the pasta water. So delicious. Now it's eating time. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I so much appreciate you all. Thank you. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.